Hey Paris, blessed Saturday.
12 o'clock round? Yeah, 12:30.
Yeah, blessed Saturday afternoon to you all. Hope you're having a blessed day. Hope everything is a-okay. Hope you're having good weather. Not too much rain, not too much sun. We are getting all of the sun down here. I know some of you all in Canada and some other states in America getting a lot of rain. So give thanks, and if you can send off little of it, please just send it off. But please do not send it through the post office, because we're going to have to pay a lot to get it. Okay? Hope you're having a blessed day. Hope everything is a-okay. Good afternoon. No morning. Morning is gone. Good evening. And most of all, you know, I would like it to be good night. When you get to watch that little, not vlog, not video, but it's little, yeah, it's a video, but it's a mukbang. So,
hi guys, I hope you guys are having a good day.
So, we're going to be having a little mukbang. We are going to be having some Burger King versus some Wendy's. So where Wendy's juice though?
No, I didn't take any juice from Wendy's.
So we don't get, you don't get juice today?
No, I didn't take.
You just never buy the combo?
It never makes sense of that.
Why? So we don't want juice too.
Wow. So much juice.
So we are going to be having some, because Kamara girl suggested she wanted to do.
Orange juice.
Oh, Wendy's don't have orange juice. So we wanted to do like, because I guess Burger King and Wendy's are the two most official burger places in Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, Burger King and Wendy's are the two most official. We don't have McDonald's here anymore. It has been like more than about 20 years or probably more. McDonald's pulled out of Jamaica. I probably look up 18 or 17, but we don't have that here anymore. So it's just like Burger King and Wendy's. Let us catch a little grace in. Yes, Grace? Sweet Holy Spirit, we want to thank you for life. We want to thank you for strength. We want to thank you for this moment in our life. And as we connect with our YouTube family, we want to thank you for life for them. Thank you for strength. And I hope also that they're having a good time. And also that whatever we eat right here on this little mukbang, it will go right through our system. We know it now going to nourish it, but we still give thanks through faith in the name. Amen. Where the cardboard straw in there? This is so stupid. We're having
here, man.
So which bag is mine?
Oh, they give you the plastic bag. There's another bag.
There's another bag over here. So, yeah.
I told them one without cheese.
Which one is with cheese? I don't want any cheese. I'm staying away from cheese. And I love burgers. Paris, I love burger.
We have to look at which one. It says.
And yeah, man, them come back the plastic, the cardboard. Paris, what do you think? These cardboard straws, them really not make it. No, these are plastic to get. I guess people are complaining.
I don't know.
We're having orange juice as opposed to sodas.
Yes.
So what in other?
This one doesn't have cheese.
Oh, so this is mac then.
Yeah.
Okay, same. But then fries are come upsize fries them here?
No, it's regular.
So this is what basically. What is the name of this menu?
This is mine. Oh, this is Whopper with cheese. Yeah.
Another do Whopper then I don't.
No, it's regular Whopper with cheese.
And to look at with ketchup. Okay. So this is like the smallest Whopper they have on the menu. They have double Whopper.
You also got the same size, you know.
That one there look like on trailer run over it. So basically this is
it's just a regular Whopper which just doesn't have any cheese because mom doesn't.
Yeah, I don't want cheese. I'm staying away from some types of cheese, and they do the for me have a draining sign or
so
something.
we're basically going to compare which one.
So what the Wendy's burger there? Where's my side order?
Where's your order? Oh, onion rings. Do the burger first and then
so take out them all of them, make we we're go compare them and we don't take them out. So I asked her to, I'm just gonna taste their onion. I just get the onion ring?
Yeah.
For the very first time I've seen people ordering them and getting all head over heels about their onion rings. That's Burger King. So I said I go try it for the first time. I don't know if I go like it. So the burger I look I pick me a baby burger in there. So I am a Burger King person. I love Burger King. Matter of fact, I love burgers. but I prefer Burger King. What burger do you prefer? How are these?
This is mine. That's my side order.
So I'm gonna get a side of that, come here eat that.
That was your side order. You say you wanted onion rings. That was your.
Jeez! I want these onion rings is?
No.
What that?
This is loaded fries.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know regular fries.
So this is another burger for me.
That's the chicken. Both of us are the same.
Yeah, I don't want no more beef. I don't want Wendy's beef burger. So this is
chicken fillet.
Wendy's chicken burger, chicken fillet,
Spicy
chicken whatever.
Spicy chicken fillet.
So show them yours and talk to them. Remember, so we are comparing, you know.
It's the same thing.
Oh, the same thing you have there?
Yeah.
So show them your side order.
Oh.
So my side order are the onion rings and Burger King.
Yeah, and mine is the loaded fries from here.
So this are one side order onion rings? No.
Medium. That's the medium.
Jeez. This look like extra small. Oh yeah, there.
Oh, the Danish and the Colonel.
Okay, we have. And when I get like burger and patty, I like to have a pastry. What about you? So I have today here a sugar and spice Danish whirl. A Danish whirl is?
And this, yeah, and this is the
So what is now whirl again? So look at the real whirl. I want one for sugar and spice. Okay guys, so we are gonna go eat, and while we eat, we're gonna talk to you little. That fries are look little though.
It's regular, it's not upsize.
Oh yeah, upside down. Upside my fries are look like the drought the pan them. Pop people comment. No man it look like a dolly out. I'm a Burger King person. I love burgers. I am willing to try any burger, and if it's good, I just eat burger. But as you were saying, oh my gosh, you prefer Wendy's burger?
I don't know which one I prefer, honestly.
Oh, so I'm gonna eat now. Wow, Harry and
I never made a comparison. We didn't get beef burgers from Wendy's because Mom doesn't like how they're beef.
I don't like Wendy's beef burger,
so I just got 2 chicken instead.
so we have beef burger from Burger King and chicken burger from Wendy's. Okay? I'm going to have to buy some by. Let's go. I will put my friend. So I want to say thank you all for sending out so much Father's Day wishes for Dad. And yes, Dad had a great time. We all too had a great time. Even though me tired, I know me can't recuperate it. I can't come back, but to God be the glory. And as I said before, camera girl, she never get for sure cake on camera because it was just too much therein. You get caught up in a Pepsi and African, and but we want to do it over again, and some people are imploring us to do it over again. What do you think?
Yeah. Do it over as in just like do the food over or just the food, yeah?
Not do the same food, just do food. See?
Okay.
We have the money for right now. It doesn't matter when I can do tin mackerel and flour dumpling. And you, somebody do, so we can do whatever, it doesn't matter as long as we cook. And then show the finished product. Each one of us show a finished product of what we did. It's not about the type of food. It is about that I want to share with the parties. As somebody will do a lot of cooking, how my children really are angry things. You know what I'm saying? So, or it could be that 3 of us do the same thing. What's that? Show it to the people.
I'll show them already.
You want me to show them? Yeah, you need to show them and tell them what it is.
Yeah, loaded fries. It's just bacon, cheese, and regular fries.
That is not me. So I'm going to put something on the burger.
It's kind of cold now because we were on the road for a little bit.
And then the AC turned on now. For workless, I put some, I want some homemade, not homemade, some mustard from it. Them fries are them too tired. No sir. Them fries are so tired. So basically, it's like about like showing what the kids can do even when you have a mother. So we want to ask though, if how are your kids doing in the kitchen? You need to do good. Me not tell you like camera girl. I really disappointed about the onions.
It's medium, so.
You come back?
You haven't eaten it yet, have you?
No, me just maybe about 2 pieces. Me not eat 2 of them, maybe this is the third. Me not sure. Why am so little?
It's so small there.
No man, something wrong.
Even with the large one, you just get more of them, but the same size.
Eat your burger.
I'll take a bite just to finish it.
I'm open it door. No, it's open. It's open. We're in. No, no, it's everything real. Our thing is different. Our thing is real. So, I want to ask camera girl. We are meeting a lot of people all these days on the road, and people being so into the Jamaican cooking journey. They are so elated. They are so excited. So, I want to ask you a question. I'm going to ask camera girl a question first. People are saying, Miss Debbie, you're a celebrity. Do you think I'm a celebrity? No.
Look at that.
Hmm?
To me, not really. You're just known.
I don't consider myself, I don't know. I just feel like me. I don't feel no way different. I just feel like me. I'm just me.
I don't think my mom's a celebrity. I just think she's just known. A lot of people say that, yeah, she's a celebrity.
Yeah, people are saying that.
I wouldn't really say she's a celebrity. And that's not to be in a bad way. That's not supposed to be in a bad way. I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm just saying she's just known, basically. You know, like you have someone...
come in the comment section to say, oh, why are you saying that your mom is not a celebrity?
No, what I'm trying to say is that celebrity...
I'm just getting to...
Yeah,
more
frequent. Yeah, she's a little more known than normal.
But even if I become a celebrity, some people would think so too, because YouTubers with smaller channels than myself consider themselves celebrity. Have you ever watched that? They watch them all over, and once them channel reach a certain amount of subscribers and themselves. But look here.
I just think celebrities are, you know, basically, to me, how do I explain celebrities? I'm not really sure.
Harry, I'm gonna cut you. If my channel goes to be 1 million, 2, 3 million, I'll just me same way. Me am galang make a whole pa and do no talk and just be me.
Because I'm so
that's
used
just
to
who I am.
Because I'm just so used to my mother, I don't really see her as that. That's it.
Probably. We should do an ask JWM thing on another video. Some people will dispute that though. But when I walk on the road, people are calling me celebrity. People are referring to me as celebrity. What do you think? Give me your honest opinion. It doesn't matter. Cause me just feel me. But you know, some people, like if that word celebrity, you know, if we get to them head.
Exactly the point. That's why I do.
No. But you know, it would never get to my head.
I don't really use the term famous. Those are the two terms that I don't like. I don't like the term famous and I don't like the term celebrity. Those two terms I do not like.
Why you don't like them?
Because people can use them against you.
In what way?
Let's say for
elaborate.
instance,
Come on.
let's say for instance, you know, you alright, yeah, you make your own channel, right? And you had somebody there with you helping you and stuff like that. Let's say for instance now, you're a little more busy than normal, so you don't really get a lot of time to be around them. They can come back and say, oh, just because they get famous now, you don't remember nobody, or just because they turn celebrity now, you don't remember who and whatever matter. So I don't like those two terms. I don't like famous, neither do I like celebrity. I just think everybody is the same.
But suppose you become, when you are famous and being a celebrity, you are being sought after a lot. So, So suppose you should pursue a career and you become being sought after a lot. And people start saying, oh, celebrity, celebrity.
That's the first
What
thing
would
I'm
you
not-
do?
That's I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do that.
Hmm?
I don't want to do that. That's the first thing. I don't like being known that much. Really.
Really?
I don't like a lot of attention and crowds and stuff like that. I'm not that type of person.
Then suppose it so happens. What would you do?
I'm not
So you're
really-
not prepared. In like road business with me. Hmm?
No, as in like
Oh, yeah, come on.
I'm not experienced for like, everywhere you go as a woman.
But that's how it goes when you make yourself a public figure. That's what
You
happens.
don't no, that's not in that way. As in like paparazzi in a way, stuff like
What's
that.
paparazzi?
Yeah, that I don't like that. So that's the reason why.
But as you go, you grow. And if you keep growing, you're going to be getting bigger and bigger.
I just think everybody is the same. That's I just say everybody as
They were all the same.
nobody. Yes, you know,
But
some people
like,
might be a little more known than some people.
Sought
But
after.
I do not really see everybody as anybody. Oh, you're higher than me at this, or you're better
Well,
than
it's
me.
not
at this,
about
or
being
something.
higher. Come on, girl.
I just no, that's something. I just say everybody else.
Yeah, I do see everybody as the same, but it's about like you're being sought after a lot because of what your content that you put out there. People like it. When I go on the road, people are. I was in a bus the other day, and this young lady, she was walking and she was talking on the phone and she said, "Watch it by YouTube, watch it by YouTube, yeah, up, up, up." You know, people are just saying that. You remember the lady last night up by Price Mart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Harry, only know me from ever since. This is who I am, and forever. This is who I will be. It doesn't matter. I just feel real. I just feel normal. Same way. No, I just like to interact with you. I'm not even watching live stuff and you know what I'm saying. Thinking about when this, when that. You know. I'm just being me, therefore, whatever happens, whatever the limit, I can't deal with it. Because sometimes, most people not being you, and you reach a certain level, and then because you weren't being you all along, you can't handle it. You can't handle it, but anything come, can you, they call me and me. So I'm saying, so, do you consider me a celebrity? Do you consider me famous? How do you consider me? I hope everybody gonna say, I just consider you Debbie from down here, or Jamaican Debbie. Honestly, what do you think? So, you know me I go pick up the burger, yeah? Because I'm the famous burger this. First time I eat it all. Comfortable when I eat it all. Now, this is the first I'm gonna be having this one. This is our Wendy's chicken burger.
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken. The onion rings after they weren't bad, them just look a bit, they want some more. So, basically now, onion rings was my side order. And well, something in here. I have a problem with the first bite I eat. I stop this lettuce. I mean, like white, it just look like so tough. You know, so all back lettuce. It's a tomato and it look like fresh tomato. Wow. I have a problem with the very first bite. The chicken is dry. I taste a bit of spice. I taste it again. Something about the chicken. Something is in the chicken that I don't like liquid smoke. I can't detect flavors in a family. I know some I can't detect my good panda. I like the smell of it. I don't think I'll finish all.
I just took a half of each of mine. I just took a half of one and half of something.
I can't eat half a Burger King burger. I have to eat all live.
Here's the thing, I eat a lot, but I eat in proportions. So I might eat a lot. It might seem like I don't eat a lot, but I do eat a lot, but just in
I've
proportions.
tasted their beef burger already and it's not me. About 2 times. It's not me. This? Not me. Definitely not me. So right now, I'm still the Burger King side. Burger King all the way from me. I've tasted Wendy's beef burger already. I'm never up for it. And this is the chicken. Not at all. Roxy will love this. Roxy loves burgers. Just half a young here.
I told you, I eat a lot, but I just
Sugar and spice. This look like the... But this one looks like the Danish world. This is like the...
That's it, yeah.
No, it's not the world. It is not a world. This is... It's one of your... Oh, it looks so... You're twined...
That's the only one that I have. That's the only one, because on there I said may I have a Danish
You
world.
have Danish and you have Danish world.
Yeah, I asked for Danish world, and that's what she gave me.
Sugar and spice pastry never loses its touch though. I'm telling you.
This is a turnover, but because it's lady pastry, I don't want it to get all the sauce from it.
Somebody was asking about when we did the patty mukbang, was asking about sugar and spice patties. Long time I haven't eaten it, but their patties used to be good though. But remember, they are just on a small scale, you know. They're not on a big scale like juicy and tasty. Oh, sugar and spice with patties? No, Them can't depend on the scale now. In fact,
well, when it comes to cake-wise, when buying cake, sugar and spice.
yeah, them cake, pastry. I remember say juicy beef and tasty said patty, wholesale, you know. You understand? They said to other small retailers with restaurant and pastry shop, but them couldn't depend on level every day. With pastry, I don't even know if the smell sell over, but them pastry never loses its touch. But a long time I not buy them patty though. Look at this. This is this look a little more like me. I look for the world night, but I not see it.
That's what she gave me.
Never loses its touch. I can make these though in a party. You think you should make some of it? You know that you like it? Danish world.
Once or twice, but I'm not really a fan of them because the jelly is very sweet.
Yeah, the gel. You can't eat too much of it. Most times I always take off the gel, but I like the pastry of itself.
The turnover better. The inside of it, it has a little sweetness, but
the turnover is nice too.
The pastry's not really sweet.
And flaky. Parry, I always like, when I eat any fast food, I always like a little piece of pastry, not a lot. You know? But let's bring up my taste bud. What about you? Are you full?
Yeah.
Am I full? Nope. I'm not full. I could eat another Burger King. I'm not a burger from Burger King comfortably. This,
if I had water to drink, then I wouldn't be full.
as opposed to the orange juice, so I never give me the orange juice and take water. This thing has look like, it smells like there's liquid smoke in there. Not that anything is wrong. I don't know how. I don't like it. Would you think it's because of all these years I'm used to Burger King? What do you think, Parry? What you say now? Burger King for me over Wendy's any day. What you say?
Yeah, Burger King one. I take Burger King one.
Yeah, what you say, Paris? Yeah, I know you'll tell us in the comment section below.
I just wish that we had like another burger place out here. Like a Burger King or Wendy's.
McDonald's.
Because I want to try something new other than
McDonald's
Burger King or
out here.
Wendy's all the time.
McDonald's pull out of Jamaica before you born. McDonald's burger used to be big too, but I think there was some issue with the size of them burger and something like that. Like people would like, you know, they genuinely never was like concerned about the size. Wendy's wasn't here. Wendy's wasn't here when McDonald's pulled out. No, Wendy's never there yet. I doubt it.
I just hope
like the people were having issue with the size of the McDonald's burger.
I just hope or wish that Jamaica eventually just gets another burger place.
Which one? Like which one? Maybe.
There's a lot, you know.
It can just happen. These are for acting.
Hopefully they'll have another one out here so I can try something new because Burger King and Wendy's.
No, Burger King don't really suck.
No, I'm not saying no, they're not bad, but you know, you just want to try something new.
You want a different
yeah.
You want more variety. You have some other little places make them own little burgers something, you know, but you know them are the official.
No, those places are like restaurants, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm in a bite the pastry taste good. So if you're watching us and it is the first time you're watching us and you want to continue watching us, make sure you subscribe to the Jamaican Debbie Strain. When you do subscribe, make sure you're hitting that notification bell. That is how you'll be uploading each time we upload.
That's how you'll be
another vlog.
Each time we upload. That's how you'll be notified each
Wanna
time
say?
we upload. So that's how you upload it each time.
Oh my God, them know the menopause on. The party, them know. That is how you'll be notified each time we publish another video, another vlog, another mukbang, another backyard setting up the 5-star backyard. We are rolling on slowly but surely. We have a whole scheme out of things how we're going, because the backyard is mostly dirt, so we are looking for something more on the concrete side to put around it. But you'll see as we go along, we are working on that, you know. So Paris, our batteries got exhausted and we had to go batteries, yeah, and we had to go change them. So this is where this little mukbang stops. My girl wanted to make the comparison with both burgers. For me and her always have it across the board. I prefer Burger King, So she has said Wendy's. So we come now and we come with the proof. So she end up on the Burger King wagon now. How you like that? She had to come over Burger King. Remember, leave it in the comment section. What is your, well, some of you all in America and other places they have other different options. But just be with us because we only have Burger King and Wendy's. Which is your preferred one? Burger King or Wendy's? See, we have shown you. Me never change, me never switch. Just brought the proof. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for your comments in the comment section. Remember to make sure you're subscribed, and if you have not yet subscribed, remember to do so. Hit the notification bell. Leave your comments below. Those of you who want to get on to me, for now it's by Instagram or by email until we get another WhatsApp number up and running. We have got our 5-star backyard project in place. Videos will be coming up very soon of them. Make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss them. Both on the outside and both inside. We have got our little before and after work in progress videos. As we go along, we want to engage you and all like that. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And some people was asking, Debbie, you're not going to St. Mary? Yes, St. Mary is still in the making. But you know, we have to do things with time. Maybe we might just reach here this summer. We're going to be out and about on the road. Maybe doing some different deco vlogs you never see we do yet. Stay subscribed, stay blessed, and never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Eh?
Bye.